Hello everyone, welcome to KhanPedia. Today video I try to explain how we can pay Texas sales tax step by step. As you know that in 1 year we need to pay 4 times sales tax if we have Texas LLC. And but as you know, sometimes we got late and we need to pay penalty. As you can see in my case here, the period ending was 31st March and due date was 21st April. But unfortunately, I got late. So if I pay if I file my Texas sales tax filing, I need to pay penalty. As you can see, today's 21 was due date and today is 27. So if I want to pay sales tax after deadline, I need to pay the penalty. So how can I pay penalty step by step? Simply open the website Controller Texas Government and click on eSystem Login. After click on eSystem Login, simply you need to log in with your account. Log in with your account, and after that, you will have several options here. You will see now, as you can see, if you want to pay franchise tax, simply click on franchise tax. Otherwise, you need to click on sales tax and use tax. Click on this. After click on a sales tax, as you can see, click on File Original Return. Continue. And as you can see in my case now, 31st March was period ending and 21 April was due date. But unfortunately, I'm late, so I need to pay the penalty. So how can I file this the sales tax right now? I will simply click on continue and I will say I want to start simply start new. Okay. After click on continue. Okay. After click on this, as you can see, no, I'm not taking any credit. Okay. Did you refund sales tax for filing period time? No, I didn't export anything. Okay, as you can see, simply click on uh, this and write 000 everywhere and click on continue. After click on continue, as you can see, is almost done. But as you can see, late filing penalty is $50 and penalty is $2. So you have to pay $52 due to late filing sales tax. So try to file your sales tax before deadline so you don't need to pay anything. But unfortunately, I'm late, so I need to pay the penalty. After click on continue. As you can see, I have this page and simply I need to pay with credit card, electronic check, and whatever you have. For example, if I click on credit card and after click on this, I need to pay $52 and agree and continue. After click on it, as you can see, I have this option now, and again I will click on continue, and now I will have option to pay. As you can see now here, you need to provide your all the card detail, your detail, and payment detail, and then you have to click on submit, and then you will done your filing sales tax. So it's quite simple. If you got late and you file your sales tax late, so you need to pay $53 uh, penalty. So try to file your sales tax on time. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.